African valor, strong and true. Every single thing they do.
Before the guns, before the graves, there was music. The land of Zimbabwe breathed in peace, for a moment. In 1980, the flag rose high. The people sang of freedom, their hearts unchained from war. But beneath the celebration, old wounds whispered, Shona and Ndebele, brothers divided by politics and power. Rumors spread through Matabeleland, of rebels, of spies, of enemies hiding in plain sight. They came dressed in red berets, trained abroad, loyal not to the people, but to command. Innocence meant nothing. Entire villages became suspects. One night, the sky turned red. The fires sang louder than the people. The rivers of Matabeleland carried more than water. They carried names that would never be spoken again. The cries faded, but the silence stayed. Even birds avoided the hills. Mothers searched for children who would never return. Dust became their prayer. Men vanished in the night. Some buried alive, others taken, never to be seen again. Entire harvests turned to ash. Hunger joined the list of weapons. To speak was to die. Even whispers carried the weight of execution. No stones, no crosses, only earth hiding the truth. One man dared to speak, a priest who traded his life for truth. Entire provinces lived in dread. The sun rose, but the people hid from its light. Outside Zimbabwe, whispers grew. Journalists smuggled stories out, pages stained with tears. Official voices called it peacekeeping. But the graves told another story. An entire generation grew in silence, orphans of truth. Years later, the mothers still gather. They speak to the earth, because the earth remembers. Each year, when the rains come, the soil bleeds red again. Truth does not die. It waits, in bones, in rivers, in memories. New voices rise from the silence, young, brave, unbroken. To heal, a nation must remember. To remember, it must speak. Gukurahundi was never just history, it is a warning, a promise, and a voice that refuses to die. This is the story they tried to erase. Gukurahundi, the hidden massacre. Remember their names. Share their truth. The silence ends here, only on African Valor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep Africa's truth alive.